Let's customize the admin preference menu. Let's click on the admin menu. This brings up a list of options. Select the admin preferences. Now, when you click on the admin preferences, this brings up the admin preferences dialog box. We're going to customize this and we're going to use own custom. Now, this is our project. Now, I want to change the preference of our project. Now, this is a general tab. In this general tab, what we are going to do, we are going to change the first day of the week. Let's make it Monday. Because on Sunday, there is no activities that's being done on Sunday. So let's go to that. Then the duration of the week. Let's assume our project is from Monday to Saturday. That is 6 times in a week. So let's change that. Then let's leave this other section. Let's go to the data limit. Now the data limit, we have a lot of things there, but let's leave the default. Specify the maximum number of levels for trees and the EPS or the one breakdown structure, 3 maximum levels, the OBS, that is organization breakdown structures, 3 is maximum level. This is talking about the maximum level of this project that could be seen. Okay, that your screen should be displaying all the time. But let's just leave this aspect. Let's go to ID length. The ID length, let's also leave that. Let's go to the time period. Now, in the time period, we have 8 working hours in a day. Recall we changed our hours per week. Now, our hour per week changed our days per week to 6. So, our working hours here has to be 48. Then the month has to be 92. When you multiply that, that will give you 92 because 48 because 8 hours in a week in a month, 8 hours in a day, then in a week 8 hours in a day, 8 hours in a day, then for a week we have 48 hours per week. Then for four in a month, as 4 weeks make a month, 92. Then the number of hours in a year, we have 52 weeks in a year. So if we have 48, that's 48 times 52. That will give us about 2, that should be about 2, 4, 9, 6. That should be about something like that. Then now the minute, let's make this minute and then make this MO. I changed this to that. Yours, it was N, formerly I changed it to N. Okay, then that is the time. Then and the value, let's leave this and value the report. Now in this report, we are going to change this. We're going to use your name here, and then you're going to use the name of your company. Let's call that as a consult. Okay, that's very cool. Option now. The option by calendar. Let's summarize period by calendar. Work down breakdown structures, and now you can copy this and paste it on your browser. When you need help about this version on my group P6 professional online help, so you can copy that. Then the rate, let's leave the rate standard. The industry, let's select energy and construction and click on please. If you like this video now, it's going to take an advice going to tell your change in interface selection is effective immediately for new P6 professional user. To learn how to apply this change to existing users, see the administrator documentation for PC. So click on OK and click on close. Thank you all very much for watching this video. If you like this video, kindly give it a thumb up